Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So I wanted to pop on here. I have a video that I want to do of a imPress nails haul that I got from imPress Nails. I've had this for a little while and I am just now getting ready to unbox it and see what's in here. I know I ordered some holiday nails for the Christmas season, so I had them last year and I loved them, so I ordered a couple more to get me through the season this year. But there's also some other nails in here that I don't even remember what I ordered at this point. It's actually about 7:30 at night. I have had a really long day, a rough day at work. So the reason why I am hopping on here at 7:30 at night after a long day is because I wanted to show you the set that I have on, the Kiss press-on nails that I used my Dollar Tree glue with. I have had these nails on for almost 2 weeks. Tomorrow will be 2 weeks, and they have lasted. I have not had one single problem with these nails for that entire time until today, which is about right, because you should, the glue should start losing its power right around the time that you want to start changing them. So I had the perfect manicure for the past 2 weeks, and I'm really, really thrilled with these, and it's more the glue than the nails. So I just wanted to reiterate how much I love that $1 glue, and it's actually $1 for 2 bottles of glue. So if you have a chance to pick some of that up and use it on the press-ons, the regular nails that you have to glue on, it's well worth it. So I'm just going to show you, I lost today 4 nails, and they all just start to come off, just kind of go around and just kind of pop them off. But you can see from my existing nails how good they actually were right up until the end. I mean, they look great. And I don't want to put my new set on tonight because I'm going to be doing my own pedicure, and if I could get polish on the nails or whatever, so I'm going to wait until tomorrow to put the nails on, and I will do that with you on this video. I just wanted to show you the haul and show you what I got, and then tomorrow we'll put a new set on. So I'm going to open my box and show you what I got. And these are directly from imPress, from the website. And I also got some freebies in here. I think I got. So yeah, Lash Up. I'm always showing you guys freebies, but I love it when they send me freebies. So I got so much mascara from all my other freebies. This is a primer, instant prime activator. So a couple of things to try there. And this is a peel off mask. Wow, so full size they sent me for free. All right, the nails. Ooh, I like these. This might be the set that I put on tomorrow. It's called what? Harlem Shake. So it's got a little accent nail, but I really like the pink. It's kind of a beigey pink. So that's that set, and these are the imPress, so no glue needed. All right, and these are the Christmas. So this is one set of Christmas, and this has got a little gingerbread man on there with some pretty red and some pretty green, so I can kind of mix this up for the holidays. Oh, and I got myself a French tip, but it also has kind of a white sparkly accent nail. So these are kind of pretty. They got the little silver. Oh, and I'm gonna try a different shape, almond shape I should say, and this is Born to Flex. These look kind of cute. They have a really cute accent nail. They're a little bit longer than the regular imPress, but not by much really. It's almost like I was in the mood for that kind of beigey. This one's more kind of orangey, not orange, but peachy color, and where this is more pink. And then it's got almost a very, very light. So these are really cute. I like these. Something different to try. And the rest are Christmas. So this one is kind of got the white nail is kind of like a sweater. It's kind of got a cable knit on it. And then the green and those are really cute for Christmas. These are my favorites for Christmas. Last year I loved these. The little reindeer, isn't he cute? And I like the tip, the sort of candy cane tip. So these were my favorites right around Christmas time, and I did these nails and then this reindeer as the accent on these. So yeah, those are going to be great. So I have my holidays. I've got plenty of nails to get me through the Christmas season. I'm excited for that. And I have some fun nails to try. Well, these are pretty. I think I might be putting these on tomorrow. Like I said, and actually my pedicure, I'm doing a blue toenail, like a light blue, because I am going to a baby shower this weekend, and the dress I have is a toe print of that light blue. So I think that the blue toenails will look good. So yeah, that's the scoop tonight, and I hope that you got inspired to maybe pick up some imPress nails from their website for the holidays, for the Christmas holidays. And I will see you tomorrow when I put on this set. Hi guys, so yeah, so I'm ready to put on my set, and I did choose these. So I'm excited to put them on. My pedicure is all done. And let's get started. I'm just gonna choose my nails. I've already trimmed them all down and given them a little bit of a file just to make sure there's no glue left on the nails. So the nails are ready to go. And I'm gonna put on my glasses and get started. I'm at a different location, as you can see, in my house, but I have someone I have a carpenter here working in the basement, but I have to be in a different location of the house. So as you know from past videos, I just try to match up the nail to my own nail as best as possible, because if the nail is too big, it will pop off. That one looks bigger than that, but I think that's the same. These are nice because they're a nice length. left a couple on the top so I would know which ones these are, because I'm definitely going to get another set out of them. All right, so here we go. This is just a real easy one today, no glue. And again, I just kind of push it down into the cuticle. And on these imPress nails, you have to really press hard for the first couple of seconds, probably 10 or 15 or 20 seconds, just so the glue will activate. And then these nails really stay on for at least a week, if not more. I've had some questions with some people who have had a difficult time keeping the nails on, and I just remind them, you really have to find the right size for your nail bed, and you really have to press down pretty hard when you first get them on. So you really want to just press, as I said, for the first few seconds, just to get the glue to get activated. And then you really are good to go for a week. I mean, if you do, something like, pull on a car handle and catch the nail, it's not going to stay on, obviously, because it's not like having acrylic nails. But if you regular everyday activities, you should be fine. I open cans of cat food, I make beds, I do dishes, I do everything with these nails. And so yeah, I like this. It's a pretty basic color, but like I said, I did my toes a light blue because I'm going to be wearing a dress that has blue in it, and I think that will be kind of cool. I'm usually not a blue nail polish person, but I have come around. I haven't done the imPress nails in the last couple of manicures. I've been doing the Kiss with the glue from Dollar Store, and I'll tell you, I just love how it lasts. Hardest part is getting the little plastic thing off your finger once you take it off the nail. These thumbs, huh? Thumbs are the ones that seem to take a beating more than the other nails in terms of their condition. Nevertheless, I like these nails better than the acrylic because you can give them a break, you can let them get air, you can take them off yourself, and obviously putting them on is so easy. I think these will be nice for my shower tomorrow. Feminine and yet decorative. My nail in there and kind of made an indent. They're very flexible, which is good because that's how they fit nice on the nail. So this one has a little dent in it. That's all right. No one's going to see it but me. See the little indent? Can you see that? I made a little dent. I am usually quite a perfectionist, but I'm not going to let that bother me. I think they're pretty. And that took me, I didn't speed this video up, I hope you don't mind, but it only took about maybe 5 minutes. I didn't look at the time when I started, but I know it hasn't been very long. So yeah, I am happy. I have a brand new manicure. I didn't have to sit for an hour in the manicurist's chair. It was really just very quick, very easy. I hope that you will give these imPress nails a try, and I hope that you will comment and let me know if you do, and if I can help with any questions, please do let me know. And I so appreciate you stopping by. Thanks so much for watching my video. Until next time, bye for now.